Hello everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're reviewing the Kenmore CS2015 200 series corded stick vacuum, a versatile cleaning solution that combines the convenience of a stick vacuum with the flexibility of a detachable handheld unit. If you're searching for powerful suction, easy maneuverability, and effective pet hair removal without worrying about battery life, this vacuum is worth considering. The Kenmore CS2015 stands out with its two-motor cleaning system. Unlike many entry-level stick vacuums, this model uses dedicated motors to help maintain strong suction performance across different surfaces. Whether you're cleaning carpets, area rugs, hardwood floors, tile, or laminate flooring, the vacuum is designed to provide consistent cleaning power throughout your home. One of the most useful features is the Hair Eliminator Nozzle. Pet owners and households with long hair often struggle with tangled brush rolls that reduce performance over time. Kenmore addresses this issue with a nozzle system designed to minimize hair buildup, helping maintain suction efficiency and reducing maintenance requirements. The corded design is another major advantage. Instead of monitoring battery levels or waiting for recharges, you receive continuous cleaning power from start to finish. This makes the vacuum especially useful for larger homes, deep cleaning sessions, and users who prefer reliable performance without charging interruptions. The detachable hand vacuum greatly expands its versatility. With a quick conversion, you can clean stairs, couches, upholstery, curtains, shelves, corners, car interiors, and other hard-to-reach areas. This flexibility allows the vacuum to serve multiple cleaning purposes throughout the home. Another feature you'll appreciate is the LED headlight system. Dust, pet hair, and debris often hide under furniture or in dimly lit spaces. The integrated LED lights help illuminate these hidden areas, making it easier to spot and remove dirt that might otherwise be missed. Maneuverability is enhanced through swivel steering technology. The vacuum glides around furniture legs, table corners, and tight spaces with less effort than traditional upright vacuums. This makes routine cleaning faster and more comfortable. The lightweight design helps reduce fatigue during longer cleaning sessions. Carrying the vacuum up and down stairs or moving between rooms remains convenient while still benefiting from strong corded suction performance. For everyday households, pet owners, apartment dwellers, and families seeking a dependable vacuum, the Kenmore CS2015 offers an attractive combination of powerful suction, hair management technology, handheld versatility, LED visibility, and continuous corded operation. Overall, the Kenmore CS2015 200 series corded stick vacuum delivers practical performance for a wide range of cleaning needs. Its powerful dual-motor system, Hair Eliminator Nozzle, detachable handheld functionality, LED headlight, and swivel steering make it a capable cleaning tool for modern homes. If you're interested in upgrading your cleaning routine, check out the link in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.